I am ready. E bine, e foarte bine. Uite cât de frumos este pe Isle of Wight. Japonia!
Hello fellas, Editing Alan here. Welcome to another video. In this episode we are leaving the Bembridge Windmill, where we had a funny windmill dance, and we are taking a short ride, approximately 6 miles, to Bembridge Fort.
If you just look into your heart, you will find her. That's the place to start. If you take a step and take another again, you'll find.
This is so beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yes.
I know that it can be there someday. You've been waiting for. I know this life can be that one life you've been dreaming of. Today could be the someday. Today could be the one day. Today could be the someday you've been dreaming of. Today could be the someday. Today could be the one day. Today could be the someday you've been dreaming of. Oh, 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 oh. Today could be the
This is so nice! Look at the coast! Woo! Yay! Japonia!
And let the wind's voice take you there. Come feel the change, it's in the breeze. And if you let it, oh, it'll make you free. I know that it can be the someday you've been waiting for. I know this life can be that one life you've been dreaming.
Superb! Superb! Look at this view, fellas! This is so amazing!
Yes, it is.
Today could be the someday you've been dreaming of. Today could be the someday. Today could be the one day. Today could be the someday you've been dreaming of. Oh, 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 oh.
Bembridge Fort, located on the Isle of Wight in England, is a fantastic historical site with a rich military heritage. Built in the mid-19th century, Bembridge Fort was one of the several forts constructed as part of Britain's coastal defence system known as Palmerston Forts. Its primary purpose was to defend against the threat of invasion by Napoleon III of France. The fort was designed to mount heavy artillery and to protect the eastern approaches to the Solent, a strategic waterway separating the Isle of Wight from the mainland. Today, Bembridge Fort is no longer in active military use. However, it remains remarkably well preserved and is open to the public as a historic attraction. Overall, Bembridge Fort stands as a testament to Britain's military history in the Victorian era. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and if you watch up to this moment, that means you liked the video, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button. In the next episode we will ride all the way towards the Needles. However, we will stop at Castle Heaven Beach Café, where it overlooks over St. Catherine's Lighthouse. Make sure you subscribe and don't miss that video. Until the next one, you ride safe and ride with me. Cheerio!